See all the guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 29th July 2024 of the day 236. So, basically today I woke up at around 3 a.m. and after that I stand on the first and after that I done basically I situated the cooler side and I situated my chair and I sat on the table. Not I sat on the table, I sat on the chair and I started studying okay. So basically I started studying of my subjects which I have to study as per my plan. Okay, so after that basically this is a thing which was actually happened and wait guys. So basically after that in whole crux if I tell you, I woke up at around 3 a.m. and I situated all the things and I made a proper setup for studying. I started studying and after that around 8:30 to 9 a.m. I went to the ground floor and maybe I went to the bathroom. I don't know exactly about it. So after that I washed my mouth and after that I had taken the bath and basically after that I worshipped at a very proper manner and after that I ate food. What I ate leafy vegetables plus kidney beans sabji. Now what is kidney beans? Kidney beans, guys, if I tell you in Hindi, that is rajma. Okay, with chapati with rice. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was I ate at the time of morning. After that I came to the first floor and trying to sleep. Basically guys, wait guys. So actually I woke up at around 3 a.m. So I just only wanted to sleep very soon at the time of morning around 10:30 I want to sleep. So but I did not get sleep. I do not get sleep. So after that I opened the Joe Talk app and I started talking with someone for practicing the English. So basically this is a thing which was actually happened. After the some time I got sleep. Okay, I got sleep around not some time, I got sleep around 1:30, around 1 to 2, between 1 to 2, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. between I got sleep. And after that my around 5 to 5:30 p.m. at the time of evening I woke up. Okay, and after that I went to the ground floor and after that I went for doing the pee and after that I came and after that I ate pasta and after that I my mother told me to cook the remaining rice. So after that I started cooking the rice. So basically I ate pasta while watching the TV and after that my father came. Okay, uh, my father came. Basically in TV I do not watch any kind of too much thing. Okay, after that my father came and I also served food for him. After that I came to the first floor and I started studying. Okay, so after that when I went to the ground floor and after that I ate food. Okay, so after eating the food I filled water to the cooler. Okay, and wait guys. Yeah, after filling the cooler, after that I had taken the bath. Okay, so after that I came first floor and I studied not too much on that at the time of night and after that I went for the sleep very soon. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened in my today's routine and I hope you really understand and you have a your listening practice also happened from this video. So if you really understand this video then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously better. Okay, so let's start today's 5 to 10 words daily learning vocabulary. Okay, so yeah, so our first word is obediently. Obediently means guys आज्ञाकारी. uh, uh, in guys, in a letter at the time of childhood days when we wrote a letter to the teacher, then we wrote as in the last second line, I think so. Yours obediently, that means आपका आज्ञाकारी. I'm telling you in Hindi the translated word. Okay, आपका आज्ञाकारी, yours obediently. But in other terms we can say that why you didn't obey his word, why you didn't obey his order. You are a very obediently nature guy, I think so. Okay, so obediently means guys आज्ञाकारी, and the second word is obey. Obey means guys आज्ञा का पालन करना. You should obey his words, his orders. You should obey his orders. And the third word is guys battle. Battle means guys युद्ध. I've learned too much thing about Battle of Plassey. Flattering means guys चापलूसी करना. You are a very flattering nature guy. That's why uh, everybody hates you in the class. Prefer means guys पसंद करना. I prefer this. I prefer this. Okay. So uh, I think so 5 words is enough for today. Okay. So yeah, let me mark it here so that I can't confuse to the next day's routine video. Okay. Wait guys. So guys, my average videos. Wait guys. So guys, my average videos period length. So guys, my average videos period length minimum 10 minutes, but we have completed only 6 minutes 53 seconds. So let's revise some vocabulary. Okay, so quickly, jaldi se scarcity कमी, daring हिम्मत, और we can say साहसी, starvation भुखमरी, suggestion सुझाव, capable योग्य, mason मिस्त्री, राजमिस्त्री, कॉन्स्पिरेसी साजिश, एरोगेंट अभिमानी, फिक्शनल काल्पनिक, मॉर्टगेज गिरवी रखना, लैंड उधार देना, फ्यूनरल अंतिम संस्कार, मोरॉन मंदबुद्धि, डेलिबरेटली जानबूझकर, लूज ढीला, रिलायबल भरोसेमंद, प्रेडिक्शन भविष्यवाणी, अनेबल असमर्थ, यूजलेस बेकार, पॉवर्टी गरीबी, मैस मसलना, मेल्ट पिघलना, एस्टोनिश आश्चर्यचकित, आर्ग्यूमेंट बहस, कॉन्फ्लेक्शनर हलवाई, ब्लैकस्मिथ लोहार, गोल्डस्मिथ सुनार, कॉबलर मोची, टेलर दर्जी, बार्बर नाई, अकाउंटेबल जवाबदेह, प्रिटेंड दिखावा करना, लेबोरियस मेहनती, प्लेजर आनंद, सहानुभूति सिंपति, दौलत वेल्थ, गार्डनर माली, बचर कसाई, इन लॉस होम ससुराल, फियांस मंगेतर, सैंड भेजना, क्रीम मलाई, सॉस चटनी, स्टॉर्म तूफान, सॉइल मिट्टी, फ्लड बाढ़, अर्थक्विक भूकंप, वोल्केनो ज्वालामुखी, विसल सिटी, बोरो उधार लेना, लेंटिल मसूर दाल, पल्स दाल, फ्लोर आटा, यॉर्निंग उबासी लेना, सॉफ्ट मुलायम, रेनी बरसाती, फोम झाग, डिजीज रोग, ड्वार्फ इज बोना, लुनेसी पागलपन, लेम लंगड़ा, डीफ बहरा, डम्ब गूंगा, ब्लाइंड अंधा, ब्रेकफास्ट नाश्ता, ड्रेन नाली, ब्रूम झाड़ू, टीयर्स आंसू, स्टोन पत्थर, ब्रिक ईंट, थ्रेड धागा, निडल सुई, क्लाइंब चढ़ना, थ्रो फेंकना, रिमाइंड याद दिलाना, टायर थका हुआ, केव गुफा, गेज पिंजरा, ब्लैंकेट कंबल, स्वॉर्ड तलवार, फॉरएवर हमेशा, बोन हड्डी, बियर्ड दाढ़ी, हील एड़ी, कुकुम्बर खीरा, पिजियन कबूतर, गार्लिक लहसुन, जिंजर अदरक, टर्मरिक हल्दी, र्यूमर अफवाह, करप्शन भ्रष्टाचार, मर्डर हत्या, वर्मिलियन सिंदूर, वेल्डन शाबाश. So basically guys, these all the kinds of vocabulary that we have revised today. Okay, so I try to revise all the vocabularies from the next routines video. Okay, so I think that wait guys, so I think that we have talked enough. So basically we should basically end the video. Okay, but one thing I wanted to tell you guys, that if you found any kind of mistakes from me, what kind of mistake, the mistake was like that, any grammatical mistakes when I spoke, okay, any English language error, okay, like in sentence making, subject plus object error, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section, uh, uh, right sentence as well as wrong sentence, so that I can so see there, and I can understand, and I will improve my English speaking skill, and I will really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. So I think it's enough for today, guys. Let's end the video, guys. See you all. Bye bye.